This Christmas, let's add a little mischief to the magic with DIY Grinch-inspired decorations that bring playful, quirky fun into your holiday home. These creations are bold, colorful, and full of personality, perfect for anyone who loves a little holiday chaos mixed with cheer. Today, we'll explore simple ways to create Grinch-style decorations using basic shapes, expressive details, and that unmistakable whimsical flair. We'll build the base, add the signature character touches, and finish with fun accents that make everything feel alive and just a little mischievous. Start with bold, playful shapes. Think exaggerated curves, oversized forms, and tall silhouettes that capture the Grinch's dramatic personality. Keep your designs loose and fun. The charm comes from the slightly chaotic, slightly messy look. Once your base shapes are ready, arrange them in a way that feels whimsical and full of movement. The more animated the setup looks, the better. What kind of Grinch decor do you love most? Cute, funny, or full-on dramatic? Tell me in the comments below. Now it's time to bring the Grinch attitude to life. Add expressive lines, bold contrasts, and playful highlights that give your decorations that unmistakable mischievous energy. Use shapes that mimic the Grinch's dramatic expressions, curved eyebrows, swooping lines, and exaggerated features. Don't be afraid to make your designs a little uneven or quirky. The imperfect details are what make DIY Grinch decor look authentic and full of character. If these DIY Grinch Christmas decorations made you smile, don't forget to like this video and share it with someone who loves a little mischievous holiday fun. The finishing touches make everything pop. Add small elements that feel animated, lively, and perfectly over the top. Think twists, curls, movement, and lots of playful spirit. These simple accents complete the look and transform your setup from ordinary holiday decor into something truly fun and unforgettable. For more fun DIY Christmas projects, festive decor ideas, and creative holiday inspiration, be sure to subscribe and join us for more crafty joy. And there you have it. Easy, creative, DIY Grinch Christmas decorations that add a mischievous twist to your holiday season. With bold shapes, expressive details, and a little imagination, you can turn any corner of your home into a playful, whimsical holiday scene. All the materials and supplies used to make these DIY Grinch decorations are linked in the description below, so you can recreate the magic at home. So this Christmas, let your creativity run wild, embrace the silly side of the season, and bring a little Grinchy fun into your celebrations. Merry Christmas, and may your decorations steal the show without stealing Christmas.